Hi, welcome to the course on Advanced BIM Implementation as per BIM Standard ISO 19650। आप सब लोग BIM इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हैं और इसी वजह से आप डिज़ाइन सॉफ्टवेयर सीखते भी हैं। बट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इन प्रैक्टिकली BIM आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सॉफ्टवेयर. It is talking about developing BIM standard processes by which we can easily achieve project goals within the budget, on time, and without compromising the quality. Let's take an example. Suppose you have 5 to 7 friends and you plan to go on a trip to Goa for 3 to 5 days. You all feel like you need a break from studying for a long time. Understand, you have indirectly set the goal and purpose of the trip. Now, think about the steps you will take to achieve these goals. Traditionally, if you don't have a mobile for communication, then ideally, all of you would meet every day to discuss and answer questions by asking each other like what, where, when, why, how, who, and which type of questions. Do you understand how complicated it is to plan and carry out a short trip within your budget, time constraints, and the desired level of experience? Can you tell me how long it takes you to plan and execute a trip to Goa without using a sailboat? Can you understand the problems such as when someone is missing from a meeting or when there's a confusion about the budget, time, or getting permission from parents? Now let's take the example where you all have a smartphone and can do the face-to-face meeting anytime. Now tell me how you will cut down on time for planning and execution for your trip, ensuring you achieve your goal with good quality. Imagine using WhatsApp video call technology. Not only can you connect with the friends, but you can also hold collaborative meetings to make decisions faster. This includes involving your parents, the travel agency representative, the hotel manager, and anyone else involved in your decision-making process. Do you agree with this idea? Yes? Now, let's take the one more example of the construction industry. Friends, traditionally, the flow of any construction is divided into 5 to 10 phases depending on the complexity of the project. So let's assume below 6 phases. First phase is of goal and objective. The second phase is concept planning. Then the third phase is of detailed designing. Fourth phase is about the planning for execution. The fifth phase is monitoring and tracking. And then the last phase is about the closing the project. Now, in this process, let's list down the services or consultants we want to execute this project. Very first, then is the site surveyor, then the architecture, then we have structural, then we can consider electrical, mechanical, piping, firefighting, as well as IT, security, and the last procurement and vendor consultants. All these consultants need to have meetings to plan, to design, to execute, to track construction, and to deliver the project within a set budget and a time frame, as well as without compromising on quality. Imagine how much communication and teamwork they have to do. They have to make many drawings, they have to make many schedules, they have to conduct quantity estimations, as well as procurements. All the consultants rely on each other to make this progress. If I say that all these consultants can communicate and collaborate with IT technology, do you realize that how much time they can reduce? How much they can reduce the cost of the project? How much wastage and rework they can reduce? As well as how many accidents during the construction can be avoided by only establishing the safety fact. The advantage of this IT technology can be endless. This is precisely where BIM standards come into play, providing a comprehensive framework for construction planning using IT technology. Many software options are available in the market that offer collaborative work services, with Autodesk 360 being one of the most popular choices currently in the market. BIM standards give every step about how to implement digital as well as physical construction guidelines by which the project can be optimized in time, in cost, and in quality. So friends, this course is made so you can role play at every stage. For an example, you can act as an owner, you can act as an architecture consultant, as well as you can act as a structural consultant. This pattern continues for all construction disciplines. This way, you go through the whole BIM standard workflow. That's why it's mandatory to know the specific software to work as a consultant. Without knowing this software, you can't fulfill your role and your time is wasted only learning design software instead of focusing on learning the BIM standard workflow. In this BIM course, we will teach you how to develop a complete life cycle of digital construction and support in the physical construction phase. This BIM course teaches you the dimensions of the BIM standards and those from the initial phase such as 1D, 2D, 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D, and overview and implementation of the next upcoming dimensions such as 7D, 8D and 9D as well as 10D. Even these BIM standards are in the development stage. Friends, we also teach you the project information model and asset information model, which are used in the planning and the execution stages respectively. These are both models we are teaching you from LOD 100, LOD 200, LOD 300, LOD 350, LOD 400 and LOD 500. This modeling methodology is followed by the BIM protocol standard of project and asset modeling. Maybe right now you don't fully understand these BIM standards and their processes. However, I'm completely confident that as you progress through the advanced BIM implementation course following the BIM standard ISO 19650 and engage in role-playing activities, you will grasp and incorporate the BIM standards effectively. तो दोस्तों आशा करता हूँ कि ये टॉपिक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. सो रेडी टू टेक योर स्किल्स टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल इन बिल्डिंग इंफॉर्मेशन मॉडलिंग, तो ज्वाइन करो हमारा एग्जीक्यूटिव डिप्लोमा इन BIM डिज़ाइन कोर्स. ये कोर्स स्पेसिफिकली डिज़ाइन किया गया है आपके लिए जो BIM डिज़ाइन में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, चाहे फिर आप एक स्टूडेंट हो, एक जॉब सीकर हो या फिर वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल. It includes mastering in AutoCAD, Revit, Revit Structure, Revit MEP, BIM 360, Civil 3D, and advanced tools like Navisworks to understand clash detection and project coordination. ये प्रैक्टिकल कोर्स है जिसमें इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोजेक्ट्स थ्रू आपको BIM के स्टैंडर्ड्स जो ISO 9650 है उसे सॉफ्टवेयर में कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है ये भी सिखाया जाएगा. So don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your career in BIM design industry. Enroll now and start your journey to success. You can scan the QR code on the next screen to see more details about the course, or else link is there in the description box. Thank you.